Think about this for a moment. Just a few years ago, standing up from a chair felt effortless. Carrying groceries wasn't something you even thought about. Walking across the room felt stable and natural. But now something has changed. Getting up takes planning, your legs feel weaker. Your balance feels uncertain. And deep down, there's a quiet fear. Why is my body giving up on me even though I'm trying to do everything, right? You eat what you believe is healthy. You take your supplements. You stay active when you can. Yet your strength keeps slipping away. Most people are told the same simple answer. It's just aging. But that explanation feels incomplete, because aging alone doesn't explain how fast strength can disappear. What if I told you that the breakfast you eat every morning could be accelerating muscle loss? What if the foods you trust, foods labeled as healthy, are quietly shrinking your muscles and stealing your independence? Research now shows that adults over 60 can lose up to 40% of their muscle mass when they consistently eat the wrong foods, sometimes in less than a year. That's nearly half of your strength gone, not because of age, but because your muscles are being underfed at the worst possible time. The good news is this: muscle loss is not permanent. When muscles are given the right fuel at the right time, especially in the morning, they can rebuild, respond, and regain strength even after 60 or 70. I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and today, I'm going to show you which common breakfast foods are quietly destroying your muscles. And more importantly, the 5 foods that can help you rebuild strength, improve balance, and protect your independence. Before we talk about what to eat, you need to understand what's happening inside your body each night. While you sleep, your muscles enter a repair phase. During the day, simple activities like walking, climbing stairs, or lifting objects create tiny tears inside muscle fibers. That sounds alarming, but it's actually normal and necessary for muscle growth. At night, your body works to repair those fibers, making them thicker and stronger. But here is the critical detail most people never hear. This rebuilding process depends almost entirely on what you eat after you wake up. Morning nutrition supplies the raw materials your muscles need to finish repairing themselves. When breakfast is missing those materials, or worse, when it contains foods that block repair, muscle breakdown accelerates. And unfortunately, many seniors unknowingly start each day with foods that actively destroy muscle tissue. Let's talk about the biggest muscle destroyers hiding in plain sight. The first is white bread. As soon as white bread enters your system, it rapidly converts into sugar. Blood sugar spikes, insulin floods the bloodstream, and muscle repair shuts down. High insulin levels block your muscles from using protein effectively. It's like shutting down a construction site just when repairs are needed most. Worse yet, when blood sugar crashes an hour later, your body desperately needs energy. With no sustained nutrients available, it turns to muscle tissue for fuel. Over time, this habit literally trains your body to consume its own strength. Studies show seniors who eat white bread daily lose significantly more muscle mass than those who avoid it. The second destroyer is drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Caffeine without food triggers a stress response, releasing cortisol. Cortisol signals danger, and in survival mode, your body breaks down muscle to produce emergency energy. That cortisol surge also blocks key growth hormones for hours afterward, meaning even protein eaten later becomes less effective. The third destroyer surprises many people: processed breakfast meats like bacon, sausage, and deli ham. These foods contain preservatives that trigger inflammation inside muscle tissue and damage mitochondria, the energy centers of muscle cells. Without healthy mitochondria, muscles can't rebuild or function properly. Over time, inflammation and oxidative damage accelerate muscle loss. The fourth destroyer is oatmeal made with skim milk. Removing fat from milk removes the vehicle needed to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, nutrients essential for muscle function. Without fat, these vitamins pass through unused. Even worse, skim milk can force the body to pull minerals like calcium and magnesium from muscle tissue just to digest it. The fifth destroyer is refined breakfast cereal. These cereals lack complete protein and contain anti-nutrients that bind to amino acids, preventing absorption. When muscles wake up after an overnight fast and can't find the amino acids they need, they enter emergency mode and break down existing muscle tissue instead. Now let's talk about the solution. These 5 foods don't just slow muscle loss, they actively help reverse it. The first muscle-building powerhouse is plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt delivers high-quality protein rich in leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle repair. It provides both fast-acting and slow-digesting proteins, supporting muscle rebuilding throughout the day. Seniors who add Greek yogurt to breakfast show measurable gains in muscle strength, balance, and mobility. Choose full-fat Greek yogurt. Add a small handful of nuts or berries. Eat it within 30 minutes of waking when muscles are most responsive. The second powerhouse is whole eggs. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids in ideal proportions. They also contain vitamin D, which signals muscles to absorb protein more effectively. Studies show seniors who eat whole eggs regularly improve muscle protein synthesis and leg strength. Always eat the yolk. Cook eggs gently in healthy fats like butter or coconut oil, and eat them as your first meal of the day. The third muscle builder is avocado. Avocados supply healthy fats that enhance nutrient absorption, regulate hormones, and reduce muscle inflammation. They're also rich in potassium, which supports proper muscle contraction and prevents cramping. Pair avocado with protein. The fats can increase amino acid absorption by up to 40%. The fourth powerhouse is lean meats like chicken or turkey. These provide dense, bioavailable protein along with creatine and B vitamins that support strength and energy production. Seniors who include lean protein in breakfast show improved strength, stamina, and daily function. Cook gently, avoid processing, and pair with healthy fats for best absorption. The fifth and final muscle-building food is nuts and seeds. They provide plant protein, omega-3 fats, magnesium, and zinc, minerals that activate hundreds of enzymes involved in muscle repair. Nuts reduce soreness, improve recovery, and support long-term muscle maintenance. Choose raw, unsalted varieties and soak when possible for easier digestion. Now imagine yourself 3 months from now. You stand up without using your arms. You walk confidently. You carry groceries without stopping. You move without fear. That future is built one breakfast at a time. If this message helped you understand why your strength has been fading and how to rebuild it, take action tomorrow morning. Choose one muscle-building food and start there. Your muscles are ready to respond. They just need the right fuel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying strong and healthy at any age.